Hello young innovator, and welcome to the Reimagine challenge for Fearless February. As always, let's get started by reading the challenge together from the app. Innovators are driven by the challenge of enhancing the value of everyday functional objects, spaces, and even services. Are you ready to take on our monthly challenge to reimagine an everyday, almost invisible functional object? Go for it. Can you reimagine a billboard to enhance its value? Let's do this. So I have a little task for you. On your way to school and back, I want you to actively look out for and observe billboards. Okay, what are they about? What do they do? What function do they serve? Whom do they serve? Right? Billboards have been around for a while. Have you noticed them before? And if you have noticed them before, what about it did you notice? Was it the size or was it the content? Okay, and if this was the first time you actually observed a billboard, why do you think you haven't seen them or noticed them before? Right? Are they a treat to look at, or are they an eyesore? So once you have all your observations and reflections, you will reimagine a billboard that serves its primary purpose of drawing attention to a particular product, service, or even a social issue while integrating it better into the neighborhood. Right? You've got this. As always, let's hit the challenge worksheets right away. The first worksheet is my problem statement. So you will write a clear and concise problem statement explaining your challenge at hand. So I hope that you've come up with more than one idea to reimagine a billboard. Select your innovative best, sketch it out, take a photo and upload it in the worksheet, My Innovative Idea. And on to the final worksheet, which is making an advert for your innovation. This could be a TV advert, a radio jingle, or even a billboard for your billboard reimagined. Keep it clever, keep it concise, keep it witty, but explain clearly what your innovation is and how it adds value. Make a video of your advert and upload it in the worksheet titled My Advert, and I'll see you in the next challenge.